Let's create an array along a circle without using a curve. This way we can easily avoid mesh deformation. Add the mesh you want to multiply along the circle. For this video we are using a cylinder. Scale it, and change its location according to the model. Then add an empty at the center of the circle. We can now add an array modifier. In the array settings, bring all the offset axes to 0. Activate Object Offset and select the empty we added previously. Now if you rotate the empty, the array object will follow the object offset. For this example, let's rotate it 20 degrees. A number which is a factor of 360 will give a better end result in terms of symmetry. To complete the circle with the objects, just increase the number of array count.